Digital Rights Advocacy. The filing of an amicus brief by crypto advocates to safeguard users' Fourth Amendment privacy rights. Welcome to today's episode of the Crypto Daily, a podcast to help you learn something about crypto daily in less than 5 minutes. Today, we're delving into a pivotal moment in digital rights advocacy, the filing of an amicus brief by crypto advocates to safeguard users' Fourth Amendment privacy rights. If you enjoyed our podcast, do join our free newsletter at cryptocavalry.com. In a landmark move that underscores the tension between privacy and regulatory oversight, the DeFi Education Fund, DEF, has filed an amicus brief in support of James Harper's appeal against the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. This case traces back to a 2017 court order compelling Coinbase to relinquish data from over 14,300 users to the IRS, a move that Harper and privacy proponents argue breaches the Fourth Amendment's protection against unreasonable searches and seizures. The DEF's brief, as detailed in an article from Crypto Cavalry, urges the US Court of Appeals to consider the unique nature of blockchain technology. Unlike traditional financial systems, crypto transactions recorded on public ledgers can potentially unveil an unprecedented level of personal detail, extending beyond simple transactional data to potentially expose individuals' political affiliations, familial ties, professional engagements, and even religious beliefs. Further coverage from Cointelegraph and CryptoSlate highlights the DEF's argument that existing legal frameworks are ill-equipped to address the nuances of digital finance. They contend that the Fourth Amendment must evolve in step with technological advancements, ensuring that individuals' rights to digital privacy are upheld, even as blockchain technology breaks new ground in transparency and traceability. This case isn't just about one's individual fight for privacy. It's emblematic of a larger struggle to define the boundaries of personal privacy in an increasingly digital and interconnected world. The outcome of Harper v. IRS could set a significant precedent, influencing future cases and legislation concerning digital privacy and government oversight. As we await further developments, this case prompts us to ponder: what balance should be struck between regulatory scrutiny and individual privacy? How can legal systems adapt to emerging technologies that challenge established norms? And crucially, what implications will this have for the future of digital rights and personal freedom in the cryptosphere and beyond? That wraps up today's exploration of digital rights in crypto. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, we are bound to see more regulatory struggles and changes in the crypto world. Stay tuned for more exciting news from the world of cryptocurrency in our next episode.